Swallowed in the Sea, Coldplay, one of my favorite songs. You cut me down a tree and brought it back to me, and that's what made me see where I was going wrong. You put me on a shelf and kept me for yourself. I can only blame myself. You can only blame me. And I could write a song 100 miles long. Well, that's where I belong, and you belong with me. And I could write it down or spread it all around, get lost and then get found, or swallowed in the sea. You put me on the line and hung me out to dry, and darling, that's when I decide to go see. You cut me down to size and opened up my eyes, made me realize that what I could not see. And I could write a book, the one that sailed shook the world, and it took it back from me. And I could write it down or spread it all around, or lost and then get found, and you'll come back to me, not swallowed in the sea. And I could write a song 100 miles long. Well, that's where I belong, and you belong with me. The streets you're walking on, 1,000 houses long. Well, that's where I belong, and you belong with me. And that's just good to live with nothing left to give. Forget but not forgive, not loving all you see. All the streets you're walking on, 1,000 houses long. Well, that's where I belong, and you belong with me, not swallowed in the sea. You belong with me, not swallowed in the sea. Yeah, you belong with me, not swallowed in the sea. Like, follow, comment. Thank you guys. Happy karaoke night. And I hope this inspires anyone to try karaoke. I know I'm not the greatest singer, I know that, but I practice and I post them up there just because I like doing it. So